Put a nice layer on the cake too. Just gives it a nice taste. It's, as you remember, we put lemon in it. It's a lemon cream. You don't have to put it on the side if you don't want. It's okay. It's nice to see the different colors of the sponge cake, the cream, and the phyllo dough. So you don't have to worry about the sides too much. And now we're going to put the last layer, which is the last piece of phyllo dough. Take it gently. No, I should put it like this. And now, just for a last decoration, we're going to take some powdered sugar and sprinkle it on top. You can always cut the sides if you want to make it straight, although it can be nice this way too.